Just months ago, OpenAI dropped Jaws with Sora, turning text into cinematic video. Now Google has entered the ring with Veo. Both promise film-quality visuals from nothing but a prompt. But which one is actually better? Let's break it down. Welcome to our Hood, your guide to the smartest tools and biggest shifts in AI. Today, we're diving into a battle that could define the future of video creation: Google Veo versus OpenAI Sora. These are the most advanced text-to-video models ever released, and they're rewriting what's possible in content creation, filmmaking, and animation. In this episode, we'll compare them head-to-head across visual quality, motion realism, prompt responsiveness, editing tools, accessibility. Let's get into it. What are Veo and Sora? Let's start with the basics. Sora, OpenAI, released in early 2025, demo phase. Sora generates up to 1-minute photorealistic videos from natural language prompts. It handles complex motion, cinematic camera movement, physical logic, realistic weather, lighting, and textures. It was a leap forward from Gen 2, Pika, and Runway. Veo, Google DeepMind, unveiled in May 2025. Veo is Google's most advanced video model. Capabilities include 4K generation, longer clip durations, real-world and animated styles, text overlays, lens effects, and smoother transitions. Think of it as a direct competitor to Sora, but backed by Google's massive visual training pipeline. Visual quality. Who wins on first impression? Veo sharp 4K resolution handles subtle lighting, e.g. sunsets, reflections, better smooth slow motion and transitions. Sora's slight edge on texture realism, e.g. cloth, water, hair. More cinematic framing and depth of field, strong with drone style or landscape shots. Verdict. Veo for sharpness and stability. Sora for atmospheric realism. Motion and physics accuracy. Sora simulates believable gravity, weight, and flow. Complex scenes with multiple actors or objects feel more grounded. Veo strong with animation style and clean movement, slightly robotic in ultra-complex scenes, e.g. crowds or chaotic motion. Verdict. Sora has the edge on physical realism, but Veo is catching up fast. Prompt handling and customization. Both systems use natural language prompts, but they differ in control depth. Veo offers more stylistic options: cinematic, animated, slow motion, dolly zoom, can simulate lens effects, aspect ratios, and transitions. Better at controlled storytelling or commercial use. Sora more intuitive. Write what you see. Prompts slightly better with abstract or surreal imagery. Better creative flexibility with fewer constraints. Verdict. Veo for structured content. Sora for open-ended creativity. Editing, compositing, and workflow tools. Veo, Google, natively integrates with YouTube, Drive, and Google Photos. Editing via AI-assisted shot refinement tools. Possible future tie-ins with Gemini 1.5 Pro and Firebase for devs. Sora, OpenAI, currently limited access, invitation only. Editing and timeline tools not publicly available. OpenAI has hinted at future integration with Runway, Adobe, and API tools. Verdict. Veo is winning for now on workflow readiness. Access and availability. Sora demo only as of mid-2025, invitation only for select creators and safety researchers. Public rollout TBD. Likely by end of 2025. Veo limited access via YouTube Shorts creators. More transparent roadmap for rollout. Early pro access via DeepMind partnerships. Education, arts, creators. Verdict. Veo is more accessible, at least for now. Use cases and who's using each. Short films and surreal clips. Sora excellent. Veo decent. Ads and branded content. Sora limited access. Veo strong toolset. Education and concept visuals. Sora imaginative. Veo clean plus annotated overlays. Animated explainer videos. Sora not yet. Veo great with styles. Real-time storytelling. Sora coming soon. Veo already demonstrated. Veo's biggest strength is control. Sora's is wow factor. Risks and ethical challenges. Both models raise big questions. 1. Deepfakes and misrepresentation. As realism increases, so does risk. 2. Bias in training data. Both rely on massive internet-scale image, Video sets. 3. Content moderation. How will they limit misuse, violence, misinformation, deep porn? 4. Copyright concerns. Generated styles may mimic existing IP without attribution. Both Google and OpenAI are building in guardrails, but the speed of advancement is raising pressure on regulators. What's next in the video AI race? Expect the next 6 to 12 months to bring public release of Sora with integrated editing, VO upgrades for real-time rendering and mobile prompts, APIs for marketers, filmmakers, and education platforms, multimodal prompting, e.g. Make this story into a video, legal showdowns on IP, privacy, and transparency. The race isn't just about visuals, it's about who builds the platform creatives will actually use. Sora wowed the world. VO is bringing structure and access. Together, they're redefining what it means to create with code. Whether you're a filmmaker, a content creator, or just a fan of great storytelling, text-to-video tools are becoming more powerful, more personal, and more creative than we ever imagined. Subscribe for deep dives on the AI tools that are reshaping our visual future. Drop a comment. Which model would you rather use, Sora's creative freedom, or VO's cinematic control? And next time, we explore the rise of digital personas. Are personal AI avatars the future of your online identity? From meetings to media to marketing, the lines between human and virtual are blurring fast.